Foggy out this morning. So we're gonna get this fired up. We still got the forklift down there to go get. I'm gonna head down there as soon as it warms up. We've got serviced that yesterday. Hold on. Whew. We got a little something going on. Neither one of these need anything other than maybe get greased up and swept out and wash the windows. They're not even really that dirty. I'm gonna try to get that to my house today or tomorrow to do a little mowing. And what else? This is not a pressing issue. This might be a later on in life, future lake construction job, but this is cracked right through here. Well, that tooth has fallen off. So that needs fixed. My nephew is building a house, and I'm trying to save him a little bit of money, so we're gonna haul this mini in sometime to his new house and get a water service put in for him. And I'm not sure yet, but we may be dropping that dozer off there too for him to use. So anyways, yeah, let's get fired up here. I got to get a little bit of fuel, and then we'll head back down to Troy. I actually pulled in at 6:31. Start time is 6:30. Yeah, seems about right. Made it back. Looks like it's pretty high paced up here at the shop today. Let's see if we can get this thing off the trailer without dying. Get a good view there. take this bad boy into Hannibal to my nephew's house. Help him get his water line put in. And then, hopefully, we get to do some stuff I want to do. Never get to do anything I want to do. Nah, I'm just kidding. You gotta get your work done first. That'd have been good. All right. Maybe I should have checked that first before I almost died. All right, let's put an 18-inch bucket on it and put it on the trailer. Take it or damn. I think I mentioned this before, but we're gonna go in and put my nephew's water line in. I may have mentioned this on this video. Probably. Anyways, we're gonna go put his water line in for him. Him and his wife are building a house, and just gonna help him out a little bit. Save him just a little bit of money. Maybe I'll get a case of beer out of it or something. Remember when I said this was future Matt's problem? Well, it just become today's Matt's problem. See it? Excuse me. Gotta see how far it's cracked. My dad wants a trencher. So if he wants a trencher, he's gonna get the trencher. For a 500-foot job. So we're gonna get this ready today. Try to get it fixed. Get it loaded on the trailer. Those came off surprisingly well. That should be good. Gonna fall for sure. Oh, yeah. But it's heavy. Broke all the way. It's probably broke behind that. But it is. her ground out. Grounded. Outed. Oh yeah, it ain't good enough. I guarantee it. It's getting her ground. Oh, I said puberty. You hear that? What? I just hit puberty. That's the ground. Guy's got a YouTube channel, says he wants one of these things. I hope he watches this one. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Jeez. You don't want one, Rod. You don't want one. Get the fire extinguisher. There's $1 in there. See what the internet people say about your wells.
That piece goes from like here to here.
We're gonna say. Oh, I won't show that part. Not showing the bottom. Spot's supposed to weld it till I got back, so I could put this on GoPro. Grind it back out. Probably really gonna break now.
Yeah, that ain't work.
Supposed to be home by now. I want to be home by now. Freaking almost 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does it matter? Johnny, what was his hand?
I don't feel like
It don't look bad. I think you're off that way.
turn
Of the boom, but it's straight. We'll bring it back in. Daddy wants to go home. It's straight.
Oh,
It's
over to that
yeah.
side.
Yeah. All right, Brandon.
Just weld it.
It's way over that side.
That side. From the middle.
Dang, wouldn't help me.
I mean, you went center or
You
whatever.
want a pry bar? Oh man, I gotta grind that off.
You're going to grind this off.
At least you have safety glasses on.
Shoot them right at me.
I like your steel-toed slides. They look like regular sandals.
Yeah, it's socks.
Wow. I have to go home. I got welder, bro.
Forgot to be work fitted.
Well, I forgot. I thought maybe the guy welder would say, "Hey, it's good about to start welding. Watch your eyeballs."
What I found is the back door.
Don't screw this up. I was gonna put
See what I found in the back door of Chevy?
Nice.
your cheese cup.
Is it okay to watch it through camera, isn't it?
Boss man wants the mower and a bucket put on the trailer, so I don't know where he's at. It's only about 3:15, and Brandon's complaining because he wants to go home, so I figured we had time to do it. Anything to keep Brandon here a little longer. And this thing is hard to deal with. This thing's hard to get off this freaking little rack. Oh yeah, I got it. This mower here is not really a brush cutter. It's more of just a mower. And that's fine, I guess. For what we do with it, which is barely use it. Just fine. My helper is nowhere to be found. He said that's right there where it goes. Good enough. Good enough for what it's for. Just get our bucket and get on the trailer. Nathan's just got a little bit of welding to do, so we'll go back in there and finish that up, or tonight, or we'll come back in the morning, one of the two. I'd rather just finish it tonight, so we ain't got to do nothing tomorrow, and everybody can have maybe tomorrow off. But we'll see. We'll see what everybody wants. Well, I know Brandon, he's wanting to go home. showing you off, bud. There, it fits. I gotta show everybody it fits. Just like that.
Oh man!
Brandon's widow chain is too short. Keep pull on it. Oh, your wheel chain too short. Poor little guy. What are you gonna do?
Put the other chain right here and then hook both of them together.
He's hooking together. We got the one chain on the bucket. She ain't going nowhere. He's just going about 2 miles that way. We got one chain across the front, 2 chains on the back. That's plenty. I didn't chain this down because, yeah, I'm just not going to do it. I'm not going to. That's about it. It's on there. He can, I actually want this exact setup at my house this weekend, so it'll work. I don't know why he went through that hole. I guess to scratch the bucket or the mower, but whatever. I want to do some mowing at my house and grade my driveway. I've got a little 3 acres off to the side of my house that needs a little bit of maintenance, so that would work good for what I want to do this weekend. But my wife's got, there I am, my wife's got some stuff planned for Saturday, so it's gonna have to be tomorrow or Sunday. So anyways, let's go see if Nathan's done welding yet. My dad's wanting this rig out at his house, but snooze you lose. You didn't get up here in time. I'm taking it. I got to do my little bit of mowing this year. A little bit of property I got. And yeah, he's not here yet, so I'm going to steal it. I got my new fire extinguisher put in today. Definitely DOT approved securement there with the bungee straps. But yeah, I talked to him. He said it was fine. He's waiting till this afternoon anyways to use it, so I'm gonna go use it for a couple hours, grade my driveway, do a little mowing, and then deliver it out to him. My room. We're just gonna do a little bit of mowing here. All of a sudden everybody's being weird. This mower is super heavy and I got 35% battery, which means I'm probably gonna run out. Why didn't I charge my camera? It's hard to say. But anyways, I'm gonna do a little bit of mowing around here. It won't take too long. Then I'm gonna get my driveway graded and we'll be done. Take it out to old Hefe's. So this mower's not a serious brush cutter. It's definitely light mowing. I mean, it does okay, but it's just, it's just not nothing little bit wet too, so that's not helping matters any. It's a little too steep for me right here. just gonna go ahead and get out of here, I guess. See, that mower does a pretty good job. It's almost more of like a finished mower, but it will cut some smaller stuff. But we're all loaded up. Gonna call my dad and see if he wants this stuff out at his house, which I think he does. And then come back and start mowing my grass. Let's go take a look. This stuff stays pretty short. Moles. I've got moles this year. Let's see here. It ain't bad. Molehill right there. Yeah, I could probably mow. Not much moisture left there.